let's talk about how important breastfeeding is and the benefits of breastfeeding. Now, the future health of your child is really dependent on the mother's nutrition and the quality of that breast milk. And yes, there is some concerns about mothers not being able to produce enough milk. If you're consuming enough nutrition and you're on the right eating plan, you should be able to produce enough. But normally, if you're producing enough breast milk, the child will gain weight about 500 to 1,000 grams per month, and will be passing urine about 6 to 8 times per day. But let's talk about the benefits. Increasing lifespan of infants, because you're decreasing sudden infant death syndrome. That's a big one right there. Number 2, colostrum. The first part of the milk when a mother starts to breastfeed is a certain percentage of colostrum. Colostrum is an incredible immune-creating substance. It has antibodies, it has immune factors, all sorts of amazing things to protect that child. And if you're not breastfeeding, they're not going to get this right here. So there's going to be some effect on the future immune system and the strength of the immune system. Number 3, decrease risk of GI infection. Number 4, decrease risk of allergies. Number 5, non-breastfed infants are 14 times more likely to die of diarrhea. Now, this is worldwide, okay, so it's not just in America. Number 6, non-breastfed infants are 3 times more likely to die of a respiratory infection. And number 7, non-breastfed infants are 2 times more likely to die from infections in general. Now, even though this is a short list of benefits, this should be enough to convince you that breastfeeding is the way to go. But the best time to prepare a mother for birth is a couple years before she gets pregnant. And what a mother consumes during the pregnancy and as she's breastfeeding is vitally important. If you haven't seen my video on that, I put it right here. Check it out. Before you go, if you have a question about a product, or you're new to keto and you want to know how to begin keto, or you're on keto and you need a debug because it's not going as smooth, I have a keto consultant standing by to help you. This is just for the people in the US. Hopefully in the future we'll be able to answer everyone's call, but I put the number down below so you can call and get some help.